Hello friends, welcome to second vlog of Andaman. So on day 2, we left our hotel in Port Blair at 6 am for Haddo Jetty. From here, you get ships for Swaraj Dweep or Shahid Dweep.
Do you have any idea where we are going, Shivam?
Yes.
Where? Swaraj Dweep. We will be going by boat. Yes.
Slower. I don't know what it is you do.
We booked Nautica through gonautica.com in December. November to January is the peak time in Andaman, so for our trip in January, we booked everything 1 month advance.
Now we will be boarding Nautica for Swaraj Dweep. Nautica!
Moving, I can hear my
You have to arrive at check-in point 45 minutes before the departure time, just like airport.
it's what you do.
Are you excited to board Nautica?
I don't know why Shivam liked the name Nautica so much, but surely it was a big fleet.
Feels emotion. I'm going crazy for you.
It may not make it to the Filmfare Awards, but it might be the most important thing you'll ever watch.
I was enjoying the video clips which were being played on the TV screen.
Shivam, say hi.
I feel like the ocean. I can see you want this too. Cause you've been looking at me all night, trying to figure me out. I just wanna let you know that I ain't playing no games, baby, you won't change. I only want you.
Seat arrangement is 2 by 6 by 2. For better view, select right side seats, but it's quite sunny. I was enjoying the view by changing to window side seat, but next moments were unimaginable and not recorded on camera. I was feeling dizzy when Shivam's father called me and found Shivam had vomited all over his dresses. As someone who was already not feeling well, I too felt like vomiting. But pathetic situation is not finding sickness bag. Anyhow, I called the attendant and got one sickness bag, and next what happened need not be explained. In the lower deck, music was being played by the DJ and people were dancing. Shivam loves dancing, so he was also dancing according to the music. Finally, we reached Swaraj Dweep, and after you land here, finding your bag is the biggest challenge.
Down. It's what you're doing. It's making me feel like I'm
Reached Havelock or Swaraj Dweep. Now we'll be going to our hotel. It took nearly 1.5 hours from Port Blair to Havelock.
falling. And when you're moving.
In Andaman, Bengali is the most prominent community, and our auto driver was no exception. We were talking in Bengali all the time, and in Swaraj Dweep we had stayed for 3 nights, so we booked this auto driver for our entire trip in Swaraj Dweep.
আপনাদেরও সুপারি বাগান আছে? আচ্ছা আচ্ছা। তো এপ্রিল থেকে সেপ্টেম্বর পর্যন্ত ট্যুরিজম তো অনেকই কমে যায় না, মানে লেস দেন 50% হয়ে যায়, আরো কম।
I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me
Shivam got a big coconut. Shivam, जंगल जंगल बात चली है. Lion. We are going through a different route to Radhanagar Beach. Yay! Welcome to Radhanagar Beach. Yeah.
Making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love.
Radhanagar Beach is very well maintained. It's very clean and it's unlike many other beaches in India. It's very clean, white sand beach.
Come a little closer. I wanna dance with you. Everything's moving slower. I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night,
Someone has left this basket here, but nobody is here.
trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. And when you move,
What are you doing? Are you searching for shells? Oh, thank you. Huh? No, it's alive. It's a living thing. Huh? Shamuk, snail. It's kind of snail. Okay, hi, bola. What are you looking for? Yes, this is shell. Yes, it's dead. Okay. Come back. I'm going to leave. Let's go back. No, it's not good. No, you can't eat this crab. It's too small, too thin. Shivam, what is this? No. How will we cut it? It's not possible to cut. How?
it's what you do.
এদিকে দেখো
It's making me feel
বাবা
like I'm falling.
এদিকে কি করছো কি আছো দেখো তো হাত দুটো দিয়ে
Say hi. Hi to perkypinkwanders. This? Huh? You? Shivam. Wow. Nice. So you will be an artist? Okay, let's go. It's time to go back. We enjoyed it a lot, especially this white beach. What are you making? Circle.
Come a little closer. I wanna dance with you. Everything's moving slower. I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like